prepare for the wedding lesson, teaching salsa, very basic, okay? And because you already have experience in dancing salsa as a follower, you would easily teach the follower, how to do her steps, right? So what you need is help to lead, and the leader steps, and how to show, how to teach in those
Yeah,
terms.
I can show, but I don't know like how to put into words, or is it necessary to put into that much words?
Absolutely, yes. There's certain words you need to use to make the light bulb moment of remembering what to do. So there are specific words. You can't just use too many words. Also, that can be the opposite effect, of confused.
Yeah.
So we need to know which words we're going to be using for the leaders to teach the men. Not only dancing steps, but also at the same time to teach all the turns and all of the moves. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Cool. Yeah. The leader needs to bring his partner in, and then perhaps a dip or just roll her in so that you can bring her into the frame. Okay. So what do you say when you teach? Okay. First of all, the follower, the partner is on the other end of the hand. So what he needs to do is a gentle pull forward and round. That's all you need to say. For example, you can teach two people do what they need to do simultaneously, but not really connected. So, for example, he can just have the hand and she rolls in, and suddenly she's in front of him. Okay, that's not real dancing. Okay, you still want them to take away something that, oh, this is a skill. I can dance this anywhere. So, for example, he pulls her, he draws her in. Confidently, scooping action, she carries on turning and ends up in front of him. She's waiting for the signal, and the hand goes down on the waist so that she carries on, and here you can feel gentle nudge, so she has to